Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that gold is currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame. Now from the monthly, we can see that gold is a long-term bullish market. We saw starting with this monthly impulse from this significant level of support, gold has created this impulse to the upside, and with that impulse, in fact, gold has broken all this recent high, created historically high price along the zone, and then immediately rejected towards the downside. Now at this point, we see that gold is almost in a level of support, and previous months we have seen that gold has formed a doji. Now with the doji formation, what I think that this month we might see further drop to grab liquidity. There is a near support level here, and also this is the monthly low. We could see further drop on gold to break this level to grab liquidity before moving to the upside. As it triggered the all-time high, it requires further liquidity to break this to the upside. Now if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see gold now approaching important level of weekly support. Now before 3 weeks earlier, we saw that gold has formed this support level with this weekly support here. Gold previous week has crossed this low and then grab liquidity from here, form this long weekly bullish candle. Now with that candle, so far this week, as expected, we have seen another retest of this nearest resistance level, and now we see rejection. Now with the rejection, we can expect now gold to retest this long-term weekly support. As we saw that there was a false breakout here, the price has broken up. Now we can expect again retest of this level before moving to the upside. So with that being said, we can expect now gold come down to test this level and then to continue to rise to the upside. So there is a still gap towards the downside to fill for the gold before the weekly close. Now if we look at the daily, we can see that from the daily perspective, from this resistance, gold is now slowly coming towards that support level. Now we see that this support that we have drawn on the daily and weekly monthly, it's a very important level. The price was respecting that support for long time, creating series of higher low, and the market left an imbalance in that zone, which is in nearest level of support here. And we can expect now, as we see creating series of lower high along this zone, we might see gold has a drop to this level along this support retesting and then pushing to the upside. So from the daily perspective as well, we have a probability for gold to continue to drop from the lower time frame perspective. Now looking at the intraday, we see that gold starting with this long week candle during the news year start, we have seen a huge movement followed by this doji retested this previous support down resistance, and we saw long week candle. Now so far we saw multiple times the price grabbing liquidity for this movement towards the downside. Now at the same time, we can see gold maintaining another level, so you could see that gold in fact coming down to test this zone to grab liquidity from here, and then we may see that gold again creating another bullish move. So how we can find trading opportunity? Let's jump on to the further lower time frame. We see that from the 1 hour chart, there was a liquidity grab along the zone, breaking this resistance level. We see still seller not finding enough strength for this downward move. We could see what I think that during this lifetime of this candle, another bullish move along this resistance level to grab liquidity. If we see the price has gone up to test this level, even grab liquidity from the 1 hour 20 EMA, we can expect for another potential bearish price action, and in that zone we'll be waiting for a potential selling opportunity on gold. So as soon as we will find suitable entry, we'll be considering going short with a high probability trade setup. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.